Today we are constructing a diagonal scale of twice full size to read up to 5 centimeter in millimeters in tenths of a millimeter. To do this, draw the length of the scale at 10 centimeter and the width of the scale 4 centimeter. After that, divide the length into 5 equal parts, that is 2 centimeter, because the scale is to be read up to 5 centimeter. After that, the last column should be divided into 10 equal parts so that it can read the millimeter parts. And for you to divide that, draw this line to any convenient angle and use your compass. Put your pin of your compass here, open it a little to any convenient angle and offset the opening on this line at the number of the division, which is 10 equal parts. Then after that, use your set square to join this line. Place the set square and you draw it with your pencil to this point. Then put your 2 set square and place it in the way that the edge of the set square should be parallel to the first line being drawn, while the second one should be a guide to a line in order for the line to be parallel. Then you draw all this line to this point to make this division. After that, from the first line here, draw it to point 0 on the other side. You keep repeating that over and over until you have this. You can see that the lines are not straight from 1 of these to 0, from 2 to 1, from 3 to 2 on the other side. So this is why it is called diagonal scale. So after you've done that, you divide the width of the scale into 10 equal parts too, this way. You can use the same method too to divide this by drawing a line to a convenient angle, the same way you use for this to get this, or you can use a scale rule direct. This is how you construct diagonal scale. Now, how to read the scale? Let's read 28.7 millimeters on this scale. How do we do this? To do this, now the big column, the column here, they are to read centimeter. The diagonal part here, that is the smaller column, will read millimeter. Then the horizontal lines drawn here will read tenths of millimeter. And how do we do that? How to do that? Now this scale is to be read up to 20, we are to read 28.7 millimeter on it. 2 is the tenths there, so the tenths will be on the big column from 0 to 2. Here will be our measurement for the tenths, which is 2. Then the 8, to read the 8, you read on the other part where the line from 1 ends at 0. If you read on this side where the line from 1 starts from, you'll get it wrong. You go to the other side where the line ends at 0. Then you start reading on the next line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I take it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is our 8. Now remaining tenth. To get that, you come down to the base and read on that same line the 7 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our point is here. Our point is here. So you can see we have our point here. Okay. Now you can see the way it's being located from 2 down to this point. So this is how you read the scale, and we have this. So the scale now 28.7 millimeters is being read this way. You can see our point here. So this is how you read diagonal scale.